I was sent this really cool device right here to do a review on. It's really simple. It's something that mounts up under your counter and allows you to pull your trash can out to put your trash in or change the bag or whatever you need to do. Very nice. Let's get this unboxed, get it together, and take it for a test drive. So right on the very top we have some instructions, which is always nice to have. Looks like we've got a bunch of parts and pieces in here. Smaller bag with some smaller stuff. Then we've got, looks like the railing system. It looks pretty straightforward. Let's get the bags off of it so we can kind of see what's in here. Very nice. Oh, we got some more smaller pieces within the tray there. Let's put that there. Looks like we got another one. And then, right off to the side here, it looks like we have some parts and pieces, some screws and stuff. Alright, so this doesn't look like it's going to be too difficult. We just got to find a place to mount this. And I can already see I'm liking something here. It looks like it can be mounted from the side, but it also has some spots down here underneath that it can be just bolted straight to wherever you're putting it. That's nice. So that will allow this to go in any size cabinet as long as you meet the height requirement and the width requirement and the depth, of course. This looks pretty straightforward. I'm going to get this put together, then we're going to go install it, take it for a drive. We'll see you here in a little bit. Alright, so overall this thing was very easy to set up and install. What an interesting device. Very easy and nice to be able to pull out your trash or your compost or recycling or whatever you're going to use it for. Change your bag, pull the trash can out, put it back in there, and then put it away. It slides right back in there. Very, very nice. I hope this helps, and we will talk to you in the next one.